What's up, guys? So today was deadlift focus day. Today was deadlift focus day after an overnight shift. I work overnights in a homeless shelter in Ottawa, and I work on the only emergency floor in Ottawa. I've been really sick the past week, so I couldn't push myself as hard as I wanted to be honest with you. But I still managed to complete all the exercises that I had to do, which was bench press, incline press, tricep push downs, and face pulls, and then cardio. So I've been dealing with chest congestion. I don't know if anybody else out there has been dealing with this kind of sickness, but it seems like it's going around, especially at my work. So I made some mullein and ginger with honey, and like there's mullein tea bag in here, and it's an expectorant, so it'll get out whatever's in your chest. But I also put mullein drops in here. So normally I would be doing a get ready with me, but I still have to sleep before my overnight shift tonight, so I'm going to be doing a vlog for that later. I just need to get my dishes done, so you guys can hang out with me while I get my dishes done. I had this cleaner come in, and she cleaned my whole apartment top to bottom. She's such a hard worker. Like, she really did a good job. And now I don't even want to have it even the slightest bit messy, because I love how it feels in here. So I'm just gonna get set up here, and we're gonna do our dishes. I know it can be hard to stay on top of things. That's something I struggled with a lot. But now that it's like been deep cleaned, it's like I want to stay on top of everything. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited, by the way. I finally launched my gymwear company. It's like two names. It's called Gym Bats and Gym Ghouls. So I do psychic work, I do metaphysical work, and I'm also obsessed with the gym. A little bit of a goth at heart, if you will. Hold on, I gotta find my dish detergent. Okay. So I was like, I want to create a gothic, spooky gymwear company. So I created the two names, I bought the .coms, I set up the social media handles on TikTok and Instagram, and I launched it yesterday. I've already made 2 sales within the first night, which is not too bad. Now I have people that are saying they want to purchase from me this week for when they get their check. So I'm just so grateful. If you have an idea, just fucking go for it, man. Because you never know where it could lead you. You never know how successful it could be. You just gotta try. I was like, I'm gonna cry, but like, I was so afraid to just even try. Anyways, sorry. And I kept seeing like Gymshark videos coming up on my news feed, and it's saying about like just going after your dream. In the week that I was thinking about it, it was saying to go after your dream. If you have a gut feeling about something, like, you know, you should just go for it. So I was like, this is the universe talking to me. I need to buy the domains. I need to get the it connected to my website. I need to release it this week. So that's what I did. And I was at work and I made 2 sales last night. That was so cool. So we'll see how it does. I already have a metaphysical business called Kanaska.com. I've been doing psychic work since I was like, what, 10 years old? I started predicting deaths when I was 10. Started doing tarot when I was 13 and started seeing spirits and ghosts when I was like 14 or 15. But something told me, you need to make this gymwear brand. There's this voice, this nagging voice in the back of my head saying you need to do this. Because my videos about my gym content started to go viral in, what, January? Yeah, January, on Instagram. And that's after years and years and years of posting to Instagram and getting very slow progress, okay? Then I started to post reels, and that's when things really started to take off. So I kind of went semi-viral on TikTok. I did go viral. I had some videos get well over 3 million views. It was for all mystery content, though. My gym content never really went viral there. And then I just, in January, had a deadlift video that did really well. And then after that, it just started to snowball. And, yeah, it was like, something told me, I got the idea maybe a month ago. We need to create a gymwear company, gym clothing, gym apparel, and it will be successful. So we'll see. But that was what the voice was telling me. And I was even like hesitating to buy what I needed to do the company properly. I'm going to post some of my some more of my content. I'm going to start posting to YouTube, like Get Ready With Me or just vlogs, because normally YouTube, I don't get many views, like at all. I've got less than 1,000 followers on YouTube right now. I posted a Get Ready With Me like a few days ago, just to see, and I forgot about it. Completely forgot about it. Since then, I've gotten 23 new followers and 1.2 thousand views on a video. Now on YouTube, that's like pretty decent for me, because especially for a 15-minute video, because I would get maybe on average under 400 views on YouTube. So I'm just trying to reach 1,000 followers right now so that I can actually start to get paid for my views. That's a goal of mine right now. So what is the moral of the story today? Go after your dreams. Go for it. Because you never know where that little idea is going to lead you. Right after I launched, there was that nagging feeling like, you might not even sell anything, right? In my head. And right away I sold a hat. And then later that night, someone else bought a shirt and a hat. So we'll see. And then people are messaging me in my inbox saying, oh, I'm going to get this, I'm going to get this. So I just get very emotional about it, because I have imposter syndrome, man. I can have a great idea, but I don't believe in myself a lot. And it holds me back a lot. And my cat's playing with a mouse toy, by the way. If you hear meowing, it's like this little fake mouse, but it makes like beeping sounds. So she loves it. She's my little hunter. So if you feel like your home's a mess right now, just go clean it, man. Because there's something about having a deep clean home feng shui of it brings in amazing things into your life. And it might even help you to manifest what you've been wanting to manifest. Feng shui and like good flow of energy in the home is so crucial and often overlooked by people with manifestation. They think, oh, if I believe, if I do affirmations, but if they're living in a dirty home and they can't even think straight, how are you going to get rid of the negative energy to allow in any positive energy or any new energy? You have to almost cleanse it. You have to cleanse away anything that is holding you back from your dream life, your dream in general. You have to get rid of it. I'm definitely going to start doing more vlogs so people can hang out with me and we can almost relate to each other, hopefully. And even if you don't relate to me, that's okay. But you can kind of see who I am and what I'm like. So if you guys want to see more vlog videos, just let me know, leave a comment. But I'll be posting like get ready with me to go to the gym. Or just like little vlogs like this. Get ready with me to do the dishes. And go to the gym. Because I did go to the gym this morning. So I might just post some clips of me exercising at the end of this video. Give you an idea of what I did. And that's it, guys. We're done doing the dishes. That's it. It didn't take long at all. What, 10 minutes? Oh, God. Oh, my God. There you go. I dropped you. I dropped you for a second there. I've been on a calorie deficit lately, so I'm trying to cut a bit of body fat to see how it goes. Alright, guys. I'll post tomorrow because I'm going to do a get ready with me to go to the gym. I have to do an overnight shift, so yeah. I'll see you later. Love you. Oh, yeah. By the way, I got a new laptop so I can finally finish my book, Eerie Encounters. So expect that soon. Alright, guys. I love you, and I will see you later.